Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to complete the generative AI cricket chatbot lab. First of all, when you click the start lab option, there I have already started my lab. Then you will show here it will take some time, almost 8 minutes to generate this link. So wait, after starting the lab, 8 minutes, then it will generate a link. Just copy it and paste it in another tab. So after generating the lab, we have to just copy this text. Okay, no. Before that, we have some few topics select. I guess one. Yes, cricket. We have to select on cricket. This one. You can go through this, or you can simply follow my videos. And hello. Then this one. Simply copy paste. Nothing else. Okay. Copy paste. This is the easiest lab in generative AI artwork game level 3. This one and the food chatbot. And this is all about Big Bass League. Previously, it was on IPL, but they have changed because this lab was facing some glitches or issues. Maybe that's why they have changed the topic. Previously, it was on IPL. Okay, now take the assessment, which was Data English Premier League. We have to then go to the back, and here you can say SS. And which was this? Okay, Big Bass League, as I told. Then submit. See, congratulations you on successfully completing the lab. And then if we click and check my progress, okay, still it's showing problem. Which data it was, by the way? Just Big Bass League, sorry. Okay, I have clicked Big Bass League, but still it's showing Mishamizu. Okay, no, it's done, thank God. Still it's glitching. So, see, this is how you can complete this lab. So the issues which we faced previously is solved now. Now you can complete the lab. So thank you guys for joining, and if you think this video was helpful for you, please do a like and share, and also if you are new in the channel, please do subscribe. See you in the next video. Okay, let me just end my lab. Submit, and if I go back and yes, this lab is completed. Okay, lab is working properly, guys. You can go through now.